What is up, everybody? Back again with another vlog. As you can see, we are out here in the game. Sorry for the sun. Jared's about to take his new baby out. I guess bike training, more bike training.
Test driving.
He's trying to get ready. He's trying to get ready for the season. All of these things. Nice start up, sounds good. Yeah, do your thing, man. Check him out. Flexing, got the bike and the Beamer.
Piss the neighbors off. Fuck the neighbors.
I guess the other day, I think it was the day after he bought it. We were just out here letting it warm up because it's kind of cold still in Kansas. She came outside. She was like, "You planning on moving that thing anytime soon?" I was like, "What?" She was like, "Yeah, it's getting kind of loud." You know. We played the punk roll first time. Second time, we just gonna let her ass know what's up. Honestly, gotta wait for the perfect time. ETA is when after Corona is over with. And once Corona is over with, then I'll pop out with my bike. You can't just get anything though. You gotta get that right joint. This guy here. I can't believe you actually did it, huh? I'm somewhat proud of you, son. Thing's bad, man. It's a bad bike. I'm not gonna bore y'all out too bad. Stay tuned to when he actually is riding it. Alright, so this is basically the practice road that kind of like trying to get him to get right on. It's not that much. It's not no curves or nothing, but he's not ready for no curves right now anyway. But I think he went on the main road. Did he? I have no idea what this guy is. Alright, here it comes, I guess. Oh, there he is. Holy crap. Oh man. What's up?
I think that this is shaky, but that shit was fire.
Say what?
Alright.
I'll crop all that out. This is an actually smooth picture. I gotta get this. Alright, hold on. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Stay tuned, I'm sorry. Alright. Back again. Here he goes. Pretty smooth. He just needs to shift. It's pretty smooth. I mean, it wasn't bad to me. Just got to give it a little bit more gas. Not bad for his third day learning anything about a motorcycle. Giving it way too much at first. You gotta shift!